So we are here today to fix some hives that got knocked over during the wind last night. And some of these hives are a little bit opgefok because Meneer Waldo didn't tie them down like a noob. So we're just doing a couple of hive maintenance. I don't have a lot of battery power, so let's be efficient and effective. Lots of pollen. Already. Oh, already. Already. Yeah, let me just tuck my thing here. I'm already getting stuck. Okay, 1 second in. So I tried the one day, I thought, let me get confident, and I tried my other gloves, these little nitrite black gloves that you see them using in America. These thin ones, like surgical gloves. Yes, bro, these I pushed through it in 2 seconds.
It's amazing, sometimes aggressive hives are, it's like, yes, I've had fun.
Yeah, but remember, they're only aggressive because check it out, honey.
It's beautiful.
Honey, flip, I've got this awesome press in Pretoria I need to bring up. I used to stuff like this, and I just put it in and press over there.
Okay, just place this like that.
I don't want to bring my boxes in that, I'm worried about bringing in water.
What do you mean?
Like different area, different bees.
Oh yeah. Oh, here we go, there's the attack. I should have brought a bucket.
Hey girls. The strength of for that. Well, this stuff they'll eat again, eh?
Yeah.
And the flipping other bees are going to smell it now as well. So.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's only limit the exposure. There we go.
I don't use them.
Well, you have to. If you're going to be producing honey, you don't want lava and shit in your...
Full frames in there.
Okay, so we're not transplanting any of that cup, okay? We need to get down here.
Yeah, I just want to get this out of the
Yeah,
way.
that's cool.
So now starts the tedious part of us breaking down the hive and finding the brood frames and putting them back into a manageable order into deep frames that can go into a proper brood box instead of the 3 supers that this hive has.
the simple expression of the complex thought. We are for the large shape because it has the impact of the unequivocal. We are for flat forms because they destroy illusion and reveal truth.
Opat. But camera.
We use elastic bands to temporarily attach the comb to the frame to give the bees some time to put propolis and attach the comb to the frame themselves and make it a bit more sturdy for them. Once the bees are done with them, they will actually chew away the elastics and push them out of the hive, which is pretty fascinating to watch.
That's
It is our function as artists to make the spectator see the world our way, not his way.
Let's put this box there and then coil them in here.
You can do that.
Now we switch the boxes around and put the hive in its final location. We then need to remove the rest of the bees that are in the original box. What we do to get them all out at the same time is give them a bang, and they all should drop into the combs that we have built already. This doesn't hurt the bees as long as you are fairly gentle.
We got bees.
First one done. The old comb that we took out, or the old frames that we took out, or the old comb there. Let's give them some time now.